with a video. You can video me. I don't care. I have no problem with you
Can you
videoing
quit
me.
stepping towards me?
No, absolutely not. I can step wherever I want. Do you have your license on you?
Welcome back to CT3, where we highlight clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights aren't violated on your next encounter with a cop.
Alright, I'm going building.
That's not a public building.
It's not paid for by tax dollars.
That's a government building. Don't start this.
Don't start what?
What are you doing?
I'm taking videos and pictures.
Why are you taking videos?
Because it's a First Amendment protected activity.
Okay, but why are you doing that?
Do I gotta have a reason?
Actually, yeah.
Keep your hand away from your pocket knife for me, okay? While he's talking to you, it's just for our safety, okay?
What are you doing? Videoing?
Just checking up, looking at the cars and stuff.
Okay.
I don't really have to disclose what my purpose is.
You don't?
No, sir.
Okay, so
I have a Fifth Amendment in this country.
you do? Okay. It's also a suspicious incident as well, okay? Somebody walking around, okay, with a video. You can video me. I don't care. I have no problem with you
Can you
videoing
quit
me.
stepping towards me?
No, absolutely not. I can step wherever I want. Do you have your license on you?
No, I don't know.
Okay, what's your name? You can video. What's your name?
On channel 1 for 1618.
What is my name gonna give you?
Who are you?
Does it matter who I am? I'm a citizen. I'm a citizen.
I'm going around videoing state trooper police cars and
Paid for by tax dollars. So there are cars.
I have a question. I'm Detective Rutherford, okay?
Uh-huh.
Have you spoken with any of the supervision here at Post before about coming on the property and video? And
I've never been here before.
You've never been here before?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, the reason I asked is we've had some individuals inquire about videoing the property, and I was just curious if you were one of the ones that had inquired about it.
No, sir. I've never been here before.
Okay. Generally, what's asked is that if you're going to video the property, that's fine. That's within your constitutional right. However, we ask that you stay on the sidewalk and do so, okay?
Okay.
When you walk into the front yard and stand in front of the...
Well, I
right
was
in
getting
front-
a picture of the plaque y'all have at
Sure.
the front right
and
there.
that's fine. That's fine. I don't have a problem with you doing that. We would just ask in the future, if you're going to be on the property, either stay on the sidewalk or actually walk into the lobby if you have a concern or a question.
Yeah,
Because as
okay.
you can imagine, if you're standing in our front yard, we're going to be interested in what you're doing out there.
It's not your front yard, sir. It's the people's.
It's our office front yard.
It's still government.
And as you can imagine, there's a lot of people out there.
Hey, ma'am, what is government? We the people.
Okay.
Okay, Jeremiah, let's not go down this road.
There's some people that don't have a problem with law enforcement, government, and obviously there's a lot of people that do.
I don't have a problem with law
Okay.
enforcement.
I'm not here to debate that, but all I'm asking is for security reasons, if you would continue, if you're going to continue to record our property, which is fine, stay on the sidewalk by the road, okay? Don't wander in our front yard, okay? The front yard of our office, okay? We're not here to debate. We're not here to discuss constitutionality matters. We're not here to give you a hard time. All I'm simply asking is if you're going to record, if you're going to be on the property, the state police post, either come inside or stay on the front sidewalk, okay? Don't come walk in the front yard and stand in front of the window, okay?
Well, I didn't stand in front of the window.
You were right.
The plaque
You
is
were-
right
you
there
were
in front of the
standing
flagpole.
right in the front yard, okay?
Where the flagpole is.
Yes.
Where the plaque
Hey,
is.
sir, do you understand that you can't film our computer system or anything of the sort?
How am I
that's-
filming a computer system?
We have you on camera in the front yard filming our computer system through the window.
You
okay?
have me filming the plaque in front of the building.
No, I'm talking about at the flagpole. Were you or were you not filming?
I was filming downwards at the plaque that says it's a tribute to all officers that's
Okay.
been killed in the line of duty.
Yeah. So
Yeah, she watched me the whole
So if
time.
I subpoena your video here, is it going to show any of our computers on it?
No,
or
it's not. You can actually get it on YouTube. You're live right now.
Well, that's great. Okay. I'm just letting you know that you're not allowed to film our computer systems.
I
Okay?
wasn't filming your computer
Okay.
system. I have
So
no
are-
intent to film your computer
Are you
system.
making a documentary or what's the deal?
Yeah. I don't have to disclose why I'm doing it. That
No,
will be
no.
revealed.
Yeah. Do you have any ID on you that you'd like to give me?
No, sir.
All right. Well, if you don't care who you are, then neither do I. Have a good day.
What's your name and badge number? You gonna photo identify?
Please stay out of the front yard, okay?
Wow, y'all are tyrants here, ain't you? What's yours?
You see it?
332?
Yeah.
And your policy to speak it? What if I can't read?
This is a two-way street, sir. If you...
He's got an attitude problem. He has from the moment he walked out here with me.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, bud, we're not going to get worked up over it. Just stay out of the property, okay?
Stay off the property.
Okay? Sounds
If you
good.
want to film,
All right,
film on the
thank you, Mr.
sidewalk.
It's funny, she thinks she knows who I am. Tyrants, man. All of them.
What we just saw is yet another example of police officers acting like they own public property. Let's get one thing straight. Government buildings funded by taxpayer dollars are not off limits to the public. You have every right to film from a public space. And the fact that they're harassing someone for doing just that is straight up unconstitutional. These cops love to throw around the term suspicious activity, as if it gives them the right to interrogate you for exercising your First Amendment rights. Guess what? It doesn't. You don't owe them any explanation for why you're filming. The moment they start asking for IDs or questioning your intentions, you need to stand firm. You don't have to provide your name, and you definitely don't need to justify why you're filming in public. That's your protected right under the law. Their attempt to paint you as a threat, even claiming you're filming their computers, is just desperate. It's a tired tactic meant to intimidate and distract from the fact that you're doing absolutely nothing wrong. And if they want to accuse you of being a troublemaker, wear that as a badge of honor. We're not here to please them. We're here to hold them accountable. But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Again, make sure you use the links in the description to go check out their channels and show them some love. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode.
Police.